Good morning, cadets. We are going to discuss various aspects of notice writing. At the beginning, we'll discuss multiple choice questions, and then we'll see some examples of notices besides the tips for writing notices. Question number 1. What is the word limit of a notice? A. 100 words, B. 50 words, C. 75 words, D. 150 words. So the answer obviously will be 50 words. So word limit for notice writing is 50 words. Question number 2. What is written on the top of a notice? A. Date, B. Name of the institution or organization, C. Subject, D. Body of notice. So what is written on the top of a notice? It's the name of the school, it's the name of the institution, it's the name of the organization. So B is the right answer. Question number 3. Which of these is the right format of writing the date in a notice? 23/03/2021, 23rd March 2021, 23-03-2021, and D, none of these. So what is the answer? Answer is obviously B, 23rd March 2021. You can write 23 March without comma 2021. So you can write 23 March 2021 or you can write 23rd March 2021. So the right answer is B here, 23rd March 2021. Question number 4. The heading or subject of a notice should not be there, should be brief and catchy, be a long tail keyword, none of these. So the heading should be very brief and catchy. So obviously the answer is B. So how the heading should be? It should be very attractive, it should be very catchy, and it should be written briefly. Question number 5. Where is the salutation placed in a notice? A, just above the date, B, just below the date, C, along with the date, and D, there is no need to write salutation in a notice. Where the salutation is written? Salutation is written in a letter. It is written in an application. It is not required in a notice. So the right answer is a D. There is no need to write salutation in a notice. Question number 6. Which of these is the most suitable way to start the body of a notice? A, through the column of, B, this is to inform, C, this is to threaten, and D, being a regular reader of your newspaper. So what is the answer here? So the most suitable way to start the body of a notice is, this is to inform. Okay, if anything official announcement is there, you can start the notice with the phrase, this is to inform. 7th one, which of the following is a type of a notice? A, lost and found, B, groom wanted, C, bride wanted, D, situation wanted. See, B, C and D, they are all classified advertisements. Whereas lost and found, that is the type of a notice. Now, question number 8. Which of the following statements is correct? A, notice is written to inform others. B, notice is of 50 words. C, notice is ended with a subscription. D, all of these. Think over it. There is a subscription name at the end. Notice is written of 50 words and notice is meant for official announcement. It is for spreading the information, disseminate the information. So all of these are correct statements. So the right option is D, all of these. Question number 9. Where should the subscription be placed in a notice? A at the beginning, B in the middle, C at the end, D none of these. Subscription, that is the name of the one who has written this notice or who wants to give information. So that is written at the end. The name of the writer of this notice is written at the end. So the subscription is at the end. Question number 10. How is the subject written in a notice? In capital letters, it is not required. First letter of every word is written as capital except prepositions, conjunctions and articles. The both A and C. What is the answer? C. The subject is written in capital letters. That is correct. And you can also capitalize important words in the subject, in the heading. So C is also right because first letter of every word is written as capital except those words which are grammar words like prepositions, conjunctions and articles. So answer is both A and C. So therefore answer is D. Where is the signature of head boy or girl placed in a notice? At the beginning, at the end, at the middle, head boy or girl need not sign. So what is the answer? Answer is that there is no need of their signature. Then head boy or girl need not sign. That's D. Question number 12. Where is the signature placed in a notice? Above the name of the writer, below the name of the writer, above the body of the notice, none of this. The signature of the principal, yes, it is required and it will be written where above the name of the writer. It will be above the name of the writer. And after the signature, the name of the writer will be there and the designation. Question number 13. Which of the following is not part of a notice? A. Salutation, B. Subject, C. Date and D. Signature. Subject is required in notice, yes. Date is required in a notice, yes. Signature is also required if it is of the principal who is issuing that notice, yes. Salutation is not required. It is not a part of a notice, it is a part of a letter. So it is required in a letter, dear sir, or it is required when you are applying for a job application, it is required, but not in the case of a notice. Question number 14. What is not added in a notice bearing found title? Little description of thing or object found, entire description of thing or object found, place of the object found, all of these. So what is not added? Read the question properly. What is not added in the notice of found? Entire description, yes, it is required. All the description, yes, complete description of thing that is found. Place of the object found, that is also required, where they have been able to find that. But little description means hardly any description, almost no description. It's a negative sentence. If it's a little means some description. But here what is written? Little description. So that is what is wrong. So therefore that is not added in a notice. So A is, yes, the answer here. Question number 15. What can be added in a notice bearing lost title? Reward to the one who has lost the object. Reward to the one who has found the object. Reward to the one who has returned the notice. All of these. So what can be added in a notice bearing lost title? Reward to the one who has found the object, not the lost. Who is rewarding? The one who has lost the object is rewarding. So obviously the answer is B, reward to the one who has found the object. Let us study the format of notice writing. So on the top, what is there? Name of the notice, issuing school or institution or organization. So on the top, that is there. Then notice, it has to be written in capital letters. Notice issue date, when the notice is issued, that date. Then you can find subject or heading or title, that is written there after the date, before the body of the notice, before the matter. So body of the notice, how it will be? It's a content or body you have to write, which consists of the following things. What are the things required there? Where, when, target group, agenda. These are all things that are there in the notice. That is the content. Then at the end, signature with designation. Signature, name and designation. That will be there at the end. That is a subscription. So the tips, let's see here, follow the specified word limit according to the question. So what is a word limit? That's a 50 word limit. At the top, what you have to do? You have to write the name of the institution, organization's name, school name, that is what you have to write. Who has issued that notice? And after that, you can write in the middle, notice in capital letters. Date can be written on the top or date can be written just below that notice. So on the left, the date of issue of the notice has to be written. Then the appropriate title of the notice will have to be given as per the event. So the title, the heading, that is to be written there. So on the top, what is there? Name of the organization. Next, notice. Then date of issue of the notice. And then heading of the notice. Then in the content, you have to mention the purpose of the notice and all relevant details. The name of the issuer of the notice and their designation is to be written on the left at the end. And whatever content you have written, the contents of the notice have to be put in a box or draw box around that content. So let us see some examples of notices. So here on the top, what is there? Name of the school. So name of the organization or name of the issuing authority, that will be written on the top. So that's why it is written Sunrise Public School, Surat. You can write Saini School, Bijapur. Then there's no need for you to put comma. But here comma is there because Surat is name of the city there. You can write Saini School, Bijapur, comma, Vijaypura. Leave one line, you can leave the space there and then write notice in capital letters. Then date. How date is written? Just see here. What is written there? 5th February 2021. Don't write 5-02 2021. How to write the date? That is also very important. You can write like this, 5th February 2021. Okay. So name of the month has to be written when you are writing the date. Next comes heading. How the heading should be? Short and catchy, brief and catchy. Charity show for cancer patients. Here you see all important letters have been capitalized. For that can be small letter, yeah. Otherwise there is no problem. You can capitalize all the letters there. You can underline that heading too. Now let's go to the content. All the students are informed, or this is to inform that. You can begin with that. The language that is used has to be very formal. All the students are informed that the district collector has invited the students to participate in a flower show at Central Park, Surat on 10th March 2021. Students will get to know about the wide variety of flowers and their characteristics Interested students should register their names with the class teacher by March 8th. So remember that notice you are writing in 50 words. You shouldn't exceed the word limit. So that's why you shouldn't write very long notices. So word limit is very important when you want to disseminate the information. At the end, subscription, what is to be written? If it's head boy or head girl, there is no need of signature. Only name has to be written. So you can write one of them. There is no need for you to write both in the examination. Navtej, if you are a boy, you can write Navtej, head boy. If you are a girl, you can write Navita, head girl. And whatever the contents that are there, entire content that has to be put in a box. So at the end you can see that whenever we write the notice, we put that content in a box. So at the end, box is required whenever you are drafting a notice. Let us see one more example of notice writing. Akash Public School, Agra. That is the name of the school. That is the name of the issuing authority. Who has issued the notice? So on the top, the name of the issuing authority, name of the organization is required. Remember that. Then afterwards, notice, which can be written in capital letters. Date. The style of writing date is very important. 5th March 2021. Remember that. The name of the month has to be written in words. You shouldn't write in numbers. It has to be written in words. So March month, it has to be written in words. Then the heading, the title, it should be brief and catchy. Inter-class singing competition or inter-house singing competition. That is the heading, that is the title. This you can write all these letters in capital letters, or here we can see all these important letters which are there. Here they have been capitalized. Inter-class, I is capitalized, singing, yes is capitalized, and competition, C is capitalized. Okay, you can write this way, you can even underline that heading. Let's go to the content part. Remember, whenever you are drafting a notice, you shouldn't cross your limits. Secondly, what is required there? When, what, how. You should be able to write answers for all these WH questions. Where, why, and these questions are there. You try to answer these questions. Our school will organize an inter-class singing competition on Friday, 14th April 2021 in the school auditorium. The competition is open for classes 6th to 12th. Interested students can give their nominations to the head teacher or headmaster or head teacher of or class teacher of their class by 10th April 2021. For further details, contact the undersigned. So here the content provides us all the information that is required, and content has to be written briefly. Yes, you shouldn't cross 50 words. The word limit for notice writing will be 50 words. Now at the end, the subscription. Now here, if you are a boy, you can write Navtej. Girl, you can write Navita. And designation, secretary. And secretary of what? Secretary of music club. So there is a club in the school and he or she happens to be secretary of music club. So remember, whenever you are drafting a notice, on the top name of the, name of the organization, name of the school or the issuing authority, notice in words, notice, then date, heading, the content, body of the matter or body of the notice. So matter that is to be written there, and at the end subscription, name the one who is issuing that, issuing, and his designation. Thank you. Goodbye.